Hey there. Let me guess, you're in the IT industry, and right now, things might feel a little shaky. Maybe it's the uncertainty of job security. Or maybe it's the constant pressure of staying relevant in a world that's evolving at lightning speed. If you're feeling like you're just holding on by a thread, you're not alone. But let me tell you this, you're stronger than you think. Today, we're going to talk about how to not just survive, but thrive, in this high-pressure industry. So, take a deep breath, we're in this together. Let's start with something real. Job insecurity. It's not a myth, it's a reality in the IT industry. Companies restructure, projects get scrapped, and new technologies make some skills obsolete. You may find yourself asking, am I next? Will I have a job in 6 months? It's normal to feel that way. But here's the first truth you need to remember, you are not powerless. As the great Nelson Mandela once said, it always seems impossible until it's done. Right now, it might seem impossible to stay calm or to keep up with the rapid changes, but it's in these moments of uncertainty that we grow. Job insecurity is not a dead end, it's an opportunity to reinvent yourself, to become more adaptable, and to expand your horizons. Fear is normal, but you are capable of handling it. The IT industry comes with a unique kind of stress, the pressure to constantly perform, deliver on tight deadlines, and stay up to date with emerging tech. But here's a perspective you might not have considered, stress is a signal. It's your body and mind telling you that something needs to change. The question is, how do you respond? Remember this powerful quote by Tony Robbins, the path to success is to take massive, determined action. When stress hits, don't let it freeze you in place. Use it as a motivator to take action. Create a plan. Upskill. Network. Break down your tasks into manageable steps, and take control. You're not at the mercy of stress, you can turn it into momentum. Every step you take to organize and execute makes you stronger. Stress isn't just mental, it's physical. It can wear you down, making you feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. That's where emotional resilience comes in. You can't eliminate all the stressors in your job, but you can build the strength to handle them. As Viktor Frankl once said, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Your greatest asset in dealing with stress is your emotional resilience. Take care of yourself. Whether that means taking a break, meditating, exercising, or simply stepping away from your screen for a few minutes, it matters. The stronger you are emotionally, the better equipped you'll be to deal with the ups and downs of this industry. You don't just need to survive stress, you can grow through it. Let's be honest, the IT industry doesn't stop evolving. Every day, there's something new to learn, and it can feel overwhelming, like you're chasing an endless list of skills. But here's the thing, you don't need to know everything, but you do need to stay curious. Lifelong learning is your superpower in this industry. As Albert Einstein said, once you stop learning, you start dying. That may sound extreme, but it's a truth that resonates deeply in tech. The key to surviving job insecurity isn't trying to know it all, it's about staying curious and adaptable. Find joy in learning new things, be it a new programming language, AI, or leadership skills. Remember, you're not just learning for your job, you're learning for your future. No one should navigate this industry alone. One of the most overlooked survival tools is community. Whether it's networking with colleagues, attending conferences, or simply having someone to talk to, building a support system can be a game changer. As Helen Keller once said, alone, we can do so little, together, we can do so much. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Mentors who've walked the path before you. Colleagues who understand your daily challenges. You don't need to carry the weight of job insecurity or stress by yourself. The more you connect with others, the more opportunities you'll find, and the more resilient you'll become. Together, we rise. Let's talk about imposter syndrome, that little voice inside your head that whispers, "You're not good enough." It's one of the most insidious forms of stress in the IT industry. No matter how many projects you complete or how many skills you acquire, it can make you feel like you don't belong. But here's the truth, you do. As Michelle Obama once said, "Am I good enough? Yes, I am." Repeat that to yourself. You've earned your place. You've worked hard to get where you are. The very fact that you question yourself means you care about your work and your growth. Remember, even the most successful people feel like imposters at times, but what sets them apart is their ability to keep moving forward despite the doubts. Don't let that voice of self-doubt hold you back. You are more than enough. Success in the IT industry isn't just about landing the next big project, climbing the corporate ladder, or mastering the latest tech trend. It's also about balance. The pressure to be constantly productive can make us lose sight of what really matters: our well-being, our relationships, and our peace of mind. As Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment." Don't let the industry define your worth. You define it. Success is not just about what you achieve at work, it's about living a life that feels meaningful to you. Find time for what matters outside of work. Success isn't just about doing more, it's about being more. Being more present, being more fulfilled, and being more connected to the things that truly bring you joy. So, if you're feeling the weight of job insecurity or stress, remember this: you are not alone. This industry moves fast, but you are more than capable of keeping up. In fact, you can do more than just keep up, you can thrive. Build resilience, keep learning, surround yourself with support, and never forget that your worth isn't tied to your job title or your latest project. As Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts." Keep going. Keep learning. Keep growing. You are stronger than you think, and your future is brighter than you know. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.